Assalamu alaikum, dear students of 4th grade. Dear students, as you know that the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed us with so many bounties, and these bounties are in the shape of different kinds of flowers, many species of animals, birds. There are scenic places, especially in Kashmir, in the form of mountains, valleys, and many other bounties, many other gifts. And you also know that there are 4 seasons, mainly 4 seasons are there, like winter, spring, summer, and autumn. During winter, this Kashmir experiences a very heavy snowfall, especially in hilly areas. And people during winter prefer to remain inside their houses. Not only people but also the birds, animals, they also prefer to remain inside their nests or inside their respective houses. This poem has been written by William Wordsworth, and he has written this poem in this March. And as you know that in March, spring season starts. What William Wordsworth tries to convey us in this poem, let us see. Let us have a model reading of this poem first. See, the cock is crowing, the stream is flowing, the small birds twitter, the green field sleeps in the sun. The oldest and the youngest are at work with the strongest. The cattle are grazing, their heads never raising. There are 40 feeding like one, like an army defeated. The snow hath retrieved, and now doth fear ill on the top of the bare hill. The bluff boy is whooping anon anon. There is joy in the mountains. There is life in the fountains. Small clouds are sailing, blue sky prevailing. The rain is over again. Dear students, the poem written in March, its actual name is Resting on the Bridge, and it has been written in March by the well-known poet William Wordsworth. The poem is about nature and its beauty. The poet observes various things. Let us see its summary. The poet Wordsworth was sitting on a bridge, and he sees various things like cocks, parrot, those cocks were crowing, and stream flowing, birds twittering, green fields in the sun, old and young working, cattle grazing. As you know, the snow had vanished, and the boy was ploughing. Small clouds were sailing, and blue sky was prevailing. Dear students, this is all about the poem Resting on the Bridge. इसमें शायर यानी विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ कहते हैं कि ये जो कौवे होते हैं या ये जो मुर्गे होते हैं, ये अपना जो है चहचहाना शुरू कर देते हैं, खासकर मार्च के महीने में, क्योंकि उससे पहले यहाँ पे बर्फ़ रहती है या सर्दियाँ बहुत होती हैं, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है वो हरकत में आ जाती हैं. जैसे कॉक्स जो है क्रोइंग करते हैं, या जो नदियाँ हैं, दरिया हैं, वो बहना शुरू हो जाती हैं अच्छे से, और जो ये परिंदे हैं उनकी चहचहाहट सुनने को मिलती है. सरसब्ज जो मैदान है, सरसब्ज जो खेत हैं, वो सूरज से लहलहाते हैं. बूढ़े और जो जवान लोग हैं वो काम करते हैं खेतों में, اور یہ جو کیٹل ہیں، یہ جو مال مویشی ہے وہ بھی کھیت میں چرنا شروع کر دیتے ہیں، چونکہ جو برف ہے وہ غائب ہو چکی ہے، برف ختم ہو چکی ہے، اور بچے جو ہیں لڑکے وہ اپنا جو ہے ہل جوتنے کے لیے کھیتوں میں آ گئے ہیں، اور یہ جو کلاؤڈز ہیں، یہ جو بادل ہیں، یہ بھی آسمان میں سیل کر رہے ہیں، آسمان میں چل رہے ہیں۔ تو امید ہے کہ آپ کو یہ پوئم سمجھ میں آئی ہوگی۔ تو لیٹ اس سی یو ان دی نیکسٹ کلاس، ٹل دین اللہ حافظ۔